Hey guys, you're back. Keys. We're live on Apollox. We're going to be reviewing these articles. Talks about DEX versus CEX. What you need to know. Article by Wilmot. So guys, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to our videos so you get notified and turn on the notification button so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial uploads. And click on the like button if you do find the video helpful, and also drop your comments in the comment section if you have any feedbacks. So guys, heading back to the article, it says as you mature into the crypto trading journey, you find yourself torn between trading on a decentralized exchange versus on a centralized exchange. So what you should know as a DEX or CEX user, so today we're back, going back to the basics. So today exchanges remain the key platform to trade crypto and circulate. There are two main types, DEX and CEX. So while CEX is the OG of crypto trading, the crypto boom and popularity of DeFi has seen speedy uptake of DEX as well. The key differences between DEX and CEX is that the decentralized exchanges are decentralized, not custodial, centralized and custodial. You have utilize AMM, auto market makers, or other book models. CEX utilize other book models only. Then we have a no account registration needed. This one requires account registration, no KYC, most require KYC. So non-custodial versus custodial. So DEX are non-custodial. This means that you trade with no intermediaries and you use your own decentralized software or hardware wallet to trade. So the exchange does not hold custody over your crypto assets since it does not have access to your wallet. In comparison, CEX are custodial and they help you manage your wallet, thus they hold custody over your assets. The MMM, other book exchanges, automated market maker, and other book models are how exchanges process transactions. AMM makes use of liquidity pools, which are collections of crypto tokens. So when you submit a trade order, smart contracts send your tokens to the pool and swap them for the token you want. The buying and selling of this price is determined by pricing algorithm, which orders this exchange ratio of the tokens in the pool. Other books record all buy and sell trading activity that happens on the exchange. Orders are split into two columns with ask, sell, and bid buy. So when you submit an order, your request or bid becomes an entry on the order book and will be fulfilled as long as there is a match. There are two types of DEX. You have automated market maker and order book. An example of AMM DEX is PancakeSwap, while an order book DEX is Apollox DEX. So CS typically follow an order book model. An example is in CEX is Binance. So account registration we have, and since DEX is non-custodial, you need only connect your wallet to a DEX to start trading. No account registration is usually needed. Meanwhile, you need to create an account on CEX to utilize your wallet for trading. Also, we have the KYC and mandatory checks enforced by exchange to make sure you are who you claim to be. This could be asking for your personal information, real-time photograph. KYCs are strongly touted as helping to prevent fraud and usage of fake identities. But since no account registration is needed for a DEX and you have custody over your funds, naturally there's no need for KYC on the other hand. I would say many CEX have implemented KYC to ensure that customers' records are not falsified. And the pros and cons, we have more secure, you own your keys, more privacy, you can trade anonymously, no risk of personal data being leaked. And cons may not be as user friendly for beginners. You need to have your own decentralized wallet and be responsible for your own assets. Functions that you see in CEX, e.g., limit orders, convert to fiat, may not be available on DEX, especially AMM DEX. Pros and cons of CEX. He said pros: user-friendly CEX interfaces look like stock brokerages, often support buying crypto using fiat currencies, high liquidity, how easily you can convert crypto into fiat or other assets. The cons here is that there is a risk of losing your funds in hacks and risk of personal data leaks. Strict KYC policies may be subjected to harsh regulatory pressures, thus affecting daily operations. So look at your priorities. If you're looking for more autonomy, privacy, and security, DEX should be your main node of trading. CEX would be suitable for beginner traders or those looking for a more user-friendly interface and fast trade. So that said, DEX are becoming more user-friendly and have expanded their range of products, yield farming, staking in recent years. If you ask me, I say take some time to try a DEX out. A type of the third type of exchange, a new breed of exchanges, hybrid exchanges are cropping up. Hybrid exchanges aim to combine the best DEX attributes of DEX and CEX together, like what we have on Apollox. We have the security and anonymity of DEX plus high liquidity and usability of CEX. So Apollox is one example, being the world's first CEX DEX hybrid crypto derivatives exchange. So users have the freedom of choice to trade anonymously or either DEX or CEX or both. So while it remains to be seen whether hybrid exchanges will eventually become the dominant exchange type, they are an alternative if you want to have the best both worlds. So guys, that's all we have. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Akahilz. Stay tuned for more. Peace out.